The FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D printer stands out with its advanced multicolor printing technology, enabling users to create vibrant designs with up to 4 colors simultaneously. Equipped with an intelligent filament system, this printer ensures seamless filament management by automatically detecting and refilling filament, reducing interruptions and enhancing productivity. The high-speed performance of the FLASHFORGE AD5X is notable, with a maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, allowing for rapid and precise project completion. Built with a reliable all-metal Core XY structure, this printer offers enhanced stability and minimizes vibrations, ensuring smooth and accurate prints. Its versatile printing capabilities, including support for flexible TPU, make the AD5X suitable for a wide range of applications, from functional prototypes to artistic creations. With a large printing size of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, the FLASHFORGE AD5X can handle diverse tasks, making it a valuable addition to any workspace.